None.
3, 2, 1. Hey, MMT's
Nope.
got that order. They're going through that market action. Right now, they got a whopping 28 minutes to the closing bell. What are they trading? Guess what? It's all about the MMT market maker entry. That's where it's at. We got Bill and Chino once again. They're finally getting made. They know they got to go north of that. They're 0.38, so they're slightly above that 0.35. That's stabilizing that price action movement. Right here, it's a Merry Christmas week, and Merry Christmas to all of you, by the way. So basically, as these moves have been torpedoing, they got to continue that move with that ratio. And you can't go below 0.35. You prefer not to. But this is how a bottom is put in. This is the whole bottom of this move for the MMTs. And walking that whole dog down all the way to that bottom, when we started having those MMTs, we're starting to identify and get in. And right now, those MMTs have got the half bars advancing 28 pennies above the previous bar. I mean, that's nice, man. That's this one here. Isn't that nice? So you got that big
That's
three
nice.
that you like. So you went up two teenies. That's 24 handles. Look at that. One teeny, two teenies. There. What's going to happen at that three teenies? Now, remember, MMTs, your wholesale entry was three teenies below the market, which gave you the nice way of understanding how to be a market maker. And you're 0.49 by 0.45. So once you get above 55, you look to see how far you can run north to 99 pennies. Now, anyways, listen, we're coming down. This is where they slid that bid. Now you're walking back up. You can take a look. 1446. I got to stay above it. That's that half bar. Okay, I'm 0.42 right here. That's my current ratio, 0.42. I want to trend all the way back to 1.14 on the high. Boy, I'd have a big move in this. But we're only on a 6 bar live right now, going into 25 minutes to the closing bell. And we got to get north of 35 here. When we were working that bottom here with Chino and Bill and all the people alike, is that you have a 3-6 made right to that teeny line. And that teeny line, well, hey, that's the SMF market maker platform. It's that accurate. Let us not be in denial. It's true. It's right there. It's just that people aren't, a market maker operation is different than a public tape. We're here to take that 3-6. Okay? That's what we do. We're here to slide that half bar all the way down as well. Now, how much we can get, we'll have to see what happens at that teeny. Okay? And we'll have to see if this thing here cannot slide. 0.44 ratio. So they really had a lot of breakout ratio here. They were sweating it for that ratio to get above 3.5. Well, now it's got to go north of 4.45 in order for it to break higher. Period. And therefore, the dollar movement equals 0.82 pennies in the SMF platform, by the way. So we're going to come back to their breakout. Here's half the bar right here. That's 46 pennies. He's 52 by 53. That needs to keep ascending above that point. I'm sorry. Half bar is 0.45 ratio. 0.45 ratio. I must go ascending in value to go higher on the 9. And I can get up to that teeny line. And that would be the full 369. Include the bit. Here's what happened.
No, no. But they could
MMTs
see they're
sold.
coming.
MMT sold right up there, and MMT, David said, slide that bid. They did that 3, the 6, the 9. They were all right involved, and they were coming out right up toward the high. Because when they couldn't get going the right way in the ratio, it was slide the bid, take the profit, and slide the bid short all in one tick. So that way you're getting that ratio debit. And what ratio debit 1 and ratio debit number 2 and ratio debit right back to where you started from. So we have exactly 13 minutes to the closing bell, and that was a 369 with a 369. That's a double 369 right around that clock, SMF MMTs. That's about 72 pennies on a couple thousand shares, and you add them all up during that time frame. That's how it's done. That's market maker price action to the penny. 369, 369. Okay, so that's how it goes, Bill and Chino, MMTs.